Let's get started now. Let's take an example today. How to read data from an Excel. Okay, let's make it simple and straight to start with. How to load data from Excel. Let's see. Excel to SQL database. Let's understand how it is. Simple process. We'll go for questions after I revise the concept. Let's observe it carefully. You can take existing database or go for a new database. Right click new database. Okay, for this entire week we will be working on this particular database called product database. Say product sales database. Okay, this entire week we'll have this database. By end of this week we'll be having a solid database with good number of items inside it. Click OK. You'll practice after the class. Let's observe carefully. Okay, database ready. Next. Once your database ready, next, this one, product database. Our requirement. Let's understand how to do Excel import. Right click tasks, import data. Good to write your observation notes, please. WhatsApp me after the class, please. Import data. Click next. Excel source. Okay, source is Excel in our case. I'll provide you an assignment with CSV file, comma separated value file. Your source will be flat file. That is your task item. Now Excel, I'll mail you the Excel file to you after the class for practice. This is the Excel file. I'll mail you today. And click next. You may see this kind of error. Microsoft Jet OLEDB provider not registered. Okay, you may get this error. What you do? Simple solution. Drop down. Select this 2007 to 2010 or any version apart from this 97 2003. Any other version is okay. Next. Are we getting it, please? Everyone, we need to change the version from the drop down. Are we getting it, please? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Friends, kindly write your observation notes, everyone. You'll WhatsApp me after the class, please. Only keywords. Any version is okay, my dear friend. Above the one with the error. Okay. Above 2003. Any version is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Next. Why like this? Give me time. We'll revise it. I said, right? We'll go for questions after revision anyway. Please write your observation notes carefully. Next. Give the destination. Destination should be OLEDB provider for SQL server. Somewhere here, this one. OLEDB provider for SQL server. What is this? Again, give me time today. I'll explain it in the revision process. For now, let's understand the overall item first, how it is. In revision, we'll do more add-ons, then we go for questions. We'll revise it in another 5 minutes max. Okay, destination. Automatically, the server is mentioned and currently connected database is also mentioned. Okay, select OLEDB, object linking embedding database driver. By this, we'll take it in next few minutes. Okay, so just select OLEDB, server database comes automatically. Next, click next. Copy data from one or more tables. Next, products, sales. Select products and sales. Okay, select products and sales. Products, sales. What are these two sheets? For each sheet at the source, Excel. This is Excel. Okay, see, the source is Excel. I'll expand, maximize the window. Source is Excel. Okay, destination SQL. In destination, we get a table automatically. This is a table name. There is something called DBO prefix. We'll take it today in another 20-30 minutes. Our second part of the class today is about this one. First part. For now, let's take the other part. Table name, preview. Get the preview. This is a preview of each sheet. Each sheet. Next. Run immediately. Finish. Hit finish. Hit finish. Observe carefully. Two tables are created. Data is loaded in no time. I mean, in real world, we don't really do insert statement manually, like insert into like that. No, never, never. We bring the data from other sources like files like this. Close. Verify the table data. Go to database, go to tables. Here are the two tables. Right click, new query. Select from the table name. This is one of the tables, 600 rows. From here, we can start writing our queries, conditions, etc. I'm repeating once again. Right click, database, tasks. Import. We are bringing the data into SQL database. Import. We can also do the reverse way. Export. Means get the data from SQL database to outside world, Excel, PDF, whatever. For now, import. Next. Data source, Excel. Excel works on one driver called MS Office driver called OLEDB driver. See, OLEDB, object linking embedding database driver. I'll mail you the notes anyway. Microsoft Jet OLEDB driver. Okay, as we are working in 2025, it does not support SQL Server 2025 does not support the current version 2003 Excel. Default is 2003, so select higher version. Okay, my Excel is in 2003. I'm converting it into higher version. No problem, you convert it. Next. Source is OLEDB, so target also give OLEDB. This one, OLEDB provider for SQL Server, this one. Object linking database driver. OLEDB is a built-in driver that auto-installed with MS Office. Whenever you install MS Office, we get OLEDB driver auto-installed. We need not install it separately. Select it here. And next, copy data from one or more tables for now. Next, one or more sheets. Remember, my source has only two sheets. For every sheet, you see two entries. One without dollar, one with the dollar. The one with the dollar is a memory copy, don't select it. Select only the disk copy, the one without dollar. Don't select the one with dollar. Select only the one without dollar, means disk copy. Dollar is memory copy, temporary. Select disk copy, permanent. Preview. Okay, select like this, preview in this way. Next, just select these tables. For our revision purpose, I'm taking table test like this. I'm changing the table names. Why? Because the tables already exist. Earlier run. Previously we run this wizard already. So the wizard ran and two tables got created. Now we are creating new tables with new names. Edit mapping. Here we can change the destination column names. Optional. Destination data types. Optional, or leave it as it is. You may see other things like identity insert and all. We'll take them from tomorrow, constraints and other things. For now, leave these items as they are. Finish. What happens? Yes, your tables will be created, data will be inserted, right click, refresh. This is how you test Excel imports, avoiding that OLEDB error. Okay, please try to work on this. Let me know for questions, clarifications if any.